Hey Sandburg, Mr. Lalonde here to show you two things today. The first one I'm going to be showing you is how to add a song to our PE playlist, and the next one I'm going to show you how to add your steps to our Sandburg steps. So as you can see here, I'm on the home page, and first thing you're going to notice is that we have the link that says add a song here and track your steps here. Those are quick links to our site, but I'm going to show you how to also do it up in the students right here. So as you scroll over to the students section and you look and see the Sandburg songs right here, you give that a click, and then you're going to notice you got that cool little background there, and then you're going to see a Google form. The Google form has a few questions for you. First thing is your name. Next thing that you would put down is a song name, so I'm going to do Try Everything from the movie Zootopia, one of my favorites. And if you know the artist, you can put that down for me. That makes it a little bit easier for me to find. And if you even want to make it even easier, what you can do is you can put a YouTube link to the song. So what I do, I've got it queued up here. I click on it once to see all the blue, and you can press Control C, or you could right click and click copy. Then you go back to the YouTube link, and you could press either Control V or right click paste. And then you would submit it right here, and it would say your response has been recorded. And then look at this. Down here at the link, you're going to see that your request has been added right here. You've got the YouTube link. It makes it nice and easy for me to get it up onto our playlist. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add Sandburg steps. So same thing, we go under Students, Sandburg steps, we give that a click. And this is your steps that you could do from like your Fitbit, from your Garmin, from your Apple Watch, any other products that you guys use to track your steps and activity level. So you put your name down there, you put the date, current date is 3/5, you could put 2018 if you'd like to add that as well, and then you'd put your step total. So my step total today is 18,324. So there you're going to notice I'm going to click Submit. My step goals have been recorded here. It's just taking a minute to load, no big deal. And then if we hit the refresher button again, you're going to notice that when you scroll down, we've got our Google Sheets. My most current submission was on here with the date and also has the steps. I scroll down and it adds to our totals right here. Alright, boys and girls, this is our video tutorial on how to add songs and steps. Go ahead, start adding those steps, adding those songs, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for listening, and have a good day.